Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change headlight bulb Ford Fiesta Mk6. Start by parking on level ground and switching off the ignition. Open the bonnet and disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. Let the old bulb cool for at least 10 minutes. Wear gloves to avoid oils on the new bulb and to protect your hands from sharp edges. Keep the new bulb safe until installation to avoid damage. Begin by removing the headlamp access cover, turning clips or unscrewing fasteners as needed. If access is restricted, remove the wheel arch liner to gain more working space. Carefully press the electrical connector release tab and pull the connector straight off the bulb. Note how the bulb sits in the socket so you can reinstall it the same way. Keep track of any screws or clips so nothing gets lost during reassembly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for playing how-to playlists or setting timers while you change bulbs. It's compact and simple to use in a garage or porch area. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Free the retaining clip or twist the old bulb out of its socket, then carefully remove it. Handle the new bulb by the base and avoid touching the glass to prevent oil marks. Align the bulb tabs with the socket and secure the retaining clip or twist until seated. Reconnect the electrical connector and briefly reconnect the battery to test the light. Once confirmed, reassemble all covers and liners and tighten clips securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.